Take your water vessel now, as it's been being held for you, as you have had it in this energy of your vibration and this vibration. Take that water vessel and wrap your palms around it. Wrap your hands around it. Hold it to your heart. Connect heart and hands, heart chakra, flower nature, heart nature, open heart, and love to the water. As you breathe back and forth, just as you might breathe in the new time, breathe through the vessel, bring the water into your heart, and send from your heart the love to the water. I am that I am, and I love purely. I am that I am, and I love wholly. I am that I am, and I love purely. I am that I am, and I love wholly. I am that I am, and I love purely. I am that I am, and I love wholly. I am in perfect time. This water is in perfect time. This love and perfection is something I can take into my body and being. Holding it to the heart, tone 3 times. Om. 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 Hold it up to the third eye. Om. Touch it with your third eye. Om. Holding the water vessel to the third eye. May I see peace and may I see plenty. May I see love and may I see life. May I see perfection in all life. May I see through the illusion of separation and duality and see wholeness. I am that I am. I am that I am. I am that I am. And I am one with all life. Take the water and drink some of the water, holding it in your mouth, connecting it with your cells in your mouth. Just hold it there before you let it slide down into your body. And as you let it slide down through your throat into your body, mentally repeat, I am that I am, and I am pure love. I am that I am, and I am connected to all life. I am that I am, and I am pure joy. The water is blessed. The water is pure. Save a drop of this to put in your bath. Save a drop of this to put in a pond, the ocean, any water near you outside. That energy will infect, just as you will infect as you go out into your new endeavors. You are being called. Listen to the call. Perhaps it is not what you think it is. Listen in silence. Listen in meditation. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germaine. Share it with your animals. Share it with your friends. That water is important. Filled with the vibration of wholeness. Filled with the perfection of time. Filled with love and filled with joy. Water is a very conductive element. Water is the element that you are the most familiar with at this time and space in your reality. Most of you don't breathe consciously. Most of you don't work with fire consciously. Most of you don't practice flying anymore or practice floating in the embers, but you do use water. You immerse yourself in it. You take it in your body more frequently. Most of you don't spend time on the earth. Those of you who garden, and those of you who work with fire, build fires, or heat with fire, or cook with flame, understand flame a little more. Those of you who garden or work with the earth understand the earth element a little bit more. But all of you understand water. All of you work with that element. All of you immerse yourself in it. Feel it in your body. Water is conductive. It flows. Water helps you understand what you can do by blessing water in your life, by sending love to it when you're walking and see a stream, when you're going down by the ocean or a pond or a pool, and placing your hands gently in it, on the surface of it, and sending the beams of light through your hands, you will begin to understand how you can transform material. Earth material seems more solid. Woods and metals, concretes, mountains, rocks, stones. And yet, it is just as conductive and fluid as water. You have just forgotten how to be fluid yourself within the material form. You are relearning this. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. On our first moon of 2016, we speak of you of the mysteries. We speak to you of the changes. We speak to you in the form of two ascended beings existing in etheric form at this time, who existed in earth form, in the material form, in many lifetimes on your earth, who understand where you have difficulty balancing in duality, who understand suffering, who understand the ups and downs of your nature, the agonies and the ecstasies, and who understand wholeness. We are here to be your guides. We have chosen to be the two that speak to you this evening because of our experience with the earth plane, because of our understanding of suffering and our understanding of transmutating suffering. We speak to you in this way because we are available for you. We have come also in male and female vibrational forms to help you understand unity on a deeper level inside yourselves. Call on us. I am Saint Germaine. Call on the Divine Mother expression in Kuan Yin, the Compassionate One. I am Saint Germaine. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germaine. I am Saint Germaine. Saint Germaine, Saint Germaine, Saint Germaine of the violet flame. Drawing the breath into the body deeply, deeply. Toning together. I am Saint Germaine of the violet flame. Drawing the breath in deeply, deeply. And toning together. I am Saint Germaine of the violet flame. And drawing it in deeply, deeply. The breath into your body. Drawing it in deeply, deeply. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. Drawing it in, putting the hands out, palms up, left to right. Imagine you were woven together in a circle, clasping each other's hands with love and joy, breathing in the unity and feeling one entity altogether, one entity singly, many and one. Mentally repeat many one as you breathe in deeply. 10 complete cycles of inhale, exhale, repeating many on the inhale, one on the exhale. Many on the inhale, one on the exhale. One on the inhale, many on the exhale. Simply shift it around. Many, one, many, one. I am one, I am many. I am many, I am one. Many, one, one, many. Many, one, many. Many, one, many. Many, one, many. Many, one, many. And drawing the breath into the body, into the belly, into the body, palms up, tone together 3 times. Om. And smile into your beings. Smile into your heart. Smile with the palms open. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame.